Right, well I'm more than useless at the moment. Sometimes I just need to listen. Anything else, got that rope in the way of you. Yeah, you step onto that and you're there. You get that now? Yeah. What's our local calls for today, Ben? I'll pull you on a minute. I'll go back a bit. I'll go to your rope that you're on there. Scared. Next calls. Inside at least. Just be safe in knowledge that this is either a 4 or a 6A. Once you step on that again, you can bolt in straight away. And the next bolt afterwards is pretty close as well. Just one scary move now. Get your left foot to where the quick draw is now. The end of the quick draw. Yep. Yeah, if you put your right foot to in between your legs, look now between your legs, there's a bit of a raised bit. Like about 6 inches to the left of your right foot. No, between your feet. Yeah, put your right foot there. Is there a bolt then first? You can reach. Oh shoot. What? Hey. Yeah. So if you look to your right, the left of your hip, yeah, there. So if you're a little bit below that, go back where you were, and down a tiny bit to the bottom. Up and am I gonna have fun with my shiny super boots? I should have waited until you once more. Nice. It's tight. Yeah, I said it's hard for the grade. If you look going up towards the bolt, on there's a crack in there to the left of the bolt. You want your foot around there where your hand is now, your left foot. And then as you step up, you want to reach and put your hand inside the crack. With your right hand probably in there. As you step up with your left. You try to find something for your left to grab now. Can you get it in the crack that's to the left of your body? Right. Yeah, that's nice. Can you reach? Just sit back and think about what you're doing next. Unless you've got this in the bag. I'm slinging it. juggy, like, to the left. If you follow the crack up to the right, it doesn't start low left of the crack, there, and it goes up to the right, doesn't it? On top of this bit of rock, it looks quite juggy when you get to that bit. So I think your hand in the crack for the first few moves, then reach up with your right hand on top of the jug. That's the next bolt from where I am here. So yeah, as soon as you get a hand on top of that bit of rock next to the crack, you'll be fine. The crack, yeah. Yeah. Put your big boy pants on and make the move then. Looking at where you are now and the route that you've done, I can see the bolt to your right, and I'd definitely say this is a 4 and the one to the right is a 6A. Because you've got the crack at least to help you with bits there. So I reckon we're still on the 4 route, which is probably a 5, because they said it's about 5. So it should be good. I've got faith in it. It's just that first time being outdoors again, looking for not ain't scary and B, it's not bright pink and saying hold me here. But the chalk hand marks helping a little bit. Are you still slinged in or are you out now? Right. Yeah. When you can, you want your left foot, see where your left hip is? There's a bit of a ledge there, that's where you want your left foot, yeah. I've got it here. Don't worry mate, I'm going to be just, I remember the first time I came to Mallorca, I took about 40 minutes. Yeah. Bit glassy, bit glossy. In that case, make the move quickly before you slip off. And then commit to your handhold. I reckon you really want something to be right foot, don't you? Can you smear your right foot on the wall and then get your left foot high with both hands in the crack to keep your body weight up? Do a pinky hole. On the plus side, the back of my triceps are getting tanned. Yeah, that looks like where your hand is now. Up again. Around there. And then I think you'll see where your left knee is. Put your hand to your left knee. Go left foot more. Down a bit. There, want your left foot on there. If you can move quickly, because then you can quickly go to your left foot where your right hand is now. You're only going to fall less than a metre if you did slip off. Remember how many times you fell on that route at Rock City and you got used to it and you won't scare anymore? Sadly my tongue just swallowed that one still. Yeah, you can traverse left a bit. And then go back right once you got over. But then you have to... you said the next bolt's just over the little bit which out of my sight? Yeah. So if you went left and over, you still get to the same bolt. Try that then if you want. you now put your left foot, yeah, just commit to it. Right, in that case, I'd suggest getting your left foot quite lower you down a tiny bit. You see where the quick draw below you is. You see to the left of that, there's a bit of a pocket. I'd say if you put your left foot in that, like so, right foot where you are now with your left, and then left foot further to the left, like there, and then you can go up that corner, and then up there. So just slow you down a little bit. Yeah. This helmet strap goes right over the spot on my chin. You getting sweaty? I am. It's warm down here. I'm wearing a black t-shirt. Rookie mistake. Looking elsewhere. It was like your the quick carabiner, to be fair. If only there was a ladder straight up to the top. What was it you were saying about Everest being too easy? Are you stepping on a bolt? I believe that's frowned upon severely. I'm going to report you to the BMC. Oh, you can do it, mate. That's it, get your foot out wide, stabilise yourself. Can you see the bolt? You're holding it on. Your left foot's perfectly planted if that helps you. Could you grab your sling and sling yourself in quickly?